I have here a brand new 10-inch rigid table saw, model 4516. Nice little portable table saw with wheels. Problem is they don't make a stand for this particular model, and I need one. So I am going to build a stand, and that's what's coming next. I've got some 6-foot 2x4s here, and I'm thinking I'll cut them right in half and use each 3-foot section as a leg for my table saw stand. What I did here is I cut the 2x4s into 2 3-foot sections, and I marked the wood so that I can route out a dado on each 2x4 at an angle that will give me a 20-inch rise from the surface. If I were doing the dado at a 45-degree angle or 90-degree angle, what would happen is I would end up having about a 28-inch height on the table, and I don't want it that high. I want it a little bit lower and longer. So I'll get about 20 inches in height, not including the top plate, which is going to be about 3/4 of an inch. So close to 21 inches in total height, and a length of about 30 inches, which is about what I want. So I need to route out the dado. Okay, now I'm just going to adjust the bit a little deeper. Perfect. Well, here's what I got. I rigged up these little jigs here so I could get it routed out right, and you can see how that looks pretty nice. Just using this Craftsman router, it's an old Craftsman router. You can see the bit there, 3/4 inch straight bit. Works great for cleaning out this area. Alright, how they fit. I'm not concerned about it at all handling the weight of my table saw. You can see there's a lot of strength there. Alright, now I've just got some more measurements to do. I've got to cut the legs, the feet flat here. And I'll just run a yardstick across here, and alright, that looks pretty good. So now I'm just ready to get it some cross bracing to get it tied together, and then a top on it, and that'll be about it. Well, here's the bench, table saw bench, completed, fit together. I don't have any nails or screws in it. It's just fit together in joints. The joints are a little loose. They're not as tight as I wanted them to be, but they're okay. I'll start by putting a temporary top on, just lay it on, and then I'll add salt bags to see how much weight it can handle. There we go. We've got 120 pounds of salt on there, and no nails or screws, and it's holding up just fine. So it shouldn't, once I get it bolted together, get some screws in there, it should work really well. Well, Well, there you go. It's very sturdy, and it's not even done yet. This is the saw. Again, it's rigid. Okay, I'm outside. This is like 5 months later from when I made the rest of this video. It's summer now. And I'm going to get around to filming my rigid table saw in action on the new table that I made. On the table I cut off the extra length that I had. I thought about doing something with that, but I just decided to cut it off. It makes the whole table lighter. So I'm going to go ahead and just demonstrate the saw here. Provides a nice clean cut. It's a great saw. I made a little feather board here. Didn't need it right now for demonstration purposes, but you can always make your own, or you can buy one in this. Again, that's the rigid, and thanks for watching.